Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a vlog because I'm traveling to Oslo to attend my in-laws wedding. But I'm also going to a Dior beauty event and also the opening event of the Dior boutique. So this is going to be a very exciting vlog and I can't wait to bring you guys with me. It is going to be very exciting. So yeah, let's follow along and enjoy this vlog. This time I'm going to fly, but my boyfriend is going to drive because we need a car down in Oslo because my in-laws are getting married in a mountain cabin. So for the packing situation, I'm going to leave my suitcase here and I'm only going to travel with my hand luggage, which is going to be my Birkin, because I'm going right to the city where I'm going to stop by Hermes and Dior to see if there are something new. I plan to shop a little bit and my regular routine when it comes to shopping in Oslo is Dior Beauty and Hermes. And hopefully I will find something there. I don't think I'm going to buy something from Dior because I'm saving it for a bobby bag. But from Dior Beauty I'm going to buy some necessities. And Hermes I'm planning to buy a twilly for my new Birkin. And hopefully they have something that will fit it. I'm very excited to bring you guys with me. This is going to be my first Dior event. I don't know what's happening at the event, but I think it will be some drinks and just mingling around. And hopefully some of the Norwegian luxury community is there. And also for the wedding, I don't think I'm going to vlog in a wedding because of privacy reasons. But I will try to sneak in a few clips of the wedding. And for the wedding, I'm going to wear a satin dress in grayish. And I'm also going to wear this blazer over the dress because it is going to be a little bit cold in the evening. And I'm also going to wear my crystal heels. So I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, that was it. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And the next time you will see me is in Oslo. Bye!
아무렇지 않은 척 하지마 흔들리는 시선이 헤매이다 그대에게 표정을 들킬까 조마 Shining shining 그대에게 보여주긴 싫은데 Shining shining 눈치도 없이 내 두 눈이 빛나네
Hello from Oslo. Now I have arrived at my in-laws' house, and today we are just going to go and do a little bit shopping, nothing special, but yeah, that's the plan for today. Tomorrow we are going into the city. I have an appointment at Dior at 10 o'clock. I was there today for 2 hours and just tried on something, but I'm going to take you guys with me tomorrow. I have tried on some loafers today, which were so beautiful, so I plan to get these or a bobby bag, hopefully. So yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow. We are just going to go and look a little bit in the boutiques. And on Friday I have a lunch date with some friends of mine from Instagram, actually. And tomorrow I plan to buy a new twilly because I need a new twilly for my new bag. So that is very exciting. So yeah, that was the plan for today and tomorrow. And also for Friday. On Saturday it is the wedding, so we are going up to the mountains on Friday and stay there until Sunday, I think. So that was it for this time. I see you guys very soon. Today we are going to the Dior event. This is going to be the official opening of the Dior boutique in Oslo. So I'm very excited to do that and take you guys with me. Now we are just going to go out and shop a little bit, and we are going to come back here later and get ready. So follow along with me, and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to do today.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go?
So now we have arrived back home, and the trip was amazing, and I had a lunch with my friends in Oslo, and the wedding was beautiful. My in-laws looked amazing, and it was very fun, and the Dior event was very packed, so therefore there are just a few clips of the event. But I did get to meet some of the people from the Norwegian luxury community, and it was very fun meeting them. So yeah, that was the Dior event, and the Dior beauty event was a masterclass of the Dior Prestige line. I learned very much of the masterclass, and I also ended up getting something from Dior Beauty. I bought some necessities, but I also got a gift when I purchased for over $150. So here is the gift that I got. It is a vanity case. So let's open it up. And inside you have a mirror and a towel, which you can use for when you are cleaning your face, and also a cotton pad box with cotton pads. So that's very practical, and here are the cotton pads, very luxurious. So yeah, that was that. And the box is very beautiful, and I think I will have it on my bathroom sink. So yeah, that was that. And another thing that I said I would do in Oslo is to drop by Hermes and try to get a twilly for my new Birkin. This one. And of course they had something, and they actually had two twillies for me. And the one that I will show you now I have already used because it was very beautiful, and I only use my Birkin with twillies, especially the one in Beton, because it is a very light color and I don't want to get any color transfer on the handles. So here is the first twilly. It is very beautiful. When my essay first showed me this one, I don't instantly fell for it because I don't like red. But when I tried it on and saw how the twilly matches my bag, I went and got it because it was a stunning combination. So here you can see how it would look. And I think this twilly brings out the best of the color on this bag. So therefore I couldn't say no. And the other twilly that I got for my new bag is this one. This is also very pretty, and if you remember, I tried it on when I was at the Hermes Copenhagen event, but the reason I didn't got it then was because I didn't like the details on this twilly, but I really liked colors. So I thought about it, and since I left Copenhagen, I have regretted not getting it every day since. And I talked to my essay and said that I really wanted this twilly, so he ordered it for me. And I also think this one is going to match my gold Birkin very well, so I think I will use it on both. This one I'm not sure if I'm going to use it on my gold one, but maybe. And here you can see the contrast of the bag and the twilly. I think the twilly matches the bag very well, especially combined with the hardware color, because it is gold, and this color here, it is like a caramel color, and I think the caramel matches the gold very well, and also the white. And on Hermes I got to try on different bags, and I think I maybe is in love with a Birkin 25, but for now I think I will go for a Kelly, because now I have 2 Birkins, and I really want a Kelly because I want a strap option, because you cannot do that with a Birkin. I'm currently on the list for a Kelly, so hopefully my essay will call me soon and have good news. But until then, I'm very, very, very happy with my newest bag, and I think it is the most stunning bag ever. Every time I take a look at her, I cannot explain my feelings because I don't think it is mine yet. It is a very surreal feeling, and I also fall more and more in love with her because the color is just amazing. It changes in daylight and in different places, so yeah, I couldn't be more happier with the color of the bag. And I also tried on a Birkin 25 in Cellier Epson with Nata with gold hardware, which is also a favorite of mine. And I also compared these two together because I really want to see Nata and Beton together to compare the color, and I'm still in love with both colors, so I think I maybe have to get a Nata or a Cray bag because they are not that similar as I thought they would be. So yeah, that was basically it for this trip, and I will leave you guys here because tomorrow we are actually going to London. It is going to be my first trip to London. I have never been there. And we are going to meet our friend and essay at Dior Selfridges. He's a very kind and nice person. We are going to eat dinner with him, and I'm looking so forward to it. So yeah, that was it for this vlog, and you will see me in the next one. Bye!